Hi guys, if you don't know already, my name is Jay and this is TextWay, and in today's tutorial we're looking at Audacity. Now the reason why I actually want to show you guys this is I actually use it on a lot of my videos to tweak the audio just to get it sort of more of a studio effect applied to it. So I'm going to quickly play back 3 different clips for you guys to listen to. The first one is a recording in Audacity with no effects applied to it. The second one has some tweaks to it, and then the third one is the final format that I use in most of my videos that you listen to. Hi guys, this is Jay from TextWay and this is a voice test. Hi guys, this is Jay from TextWay and this is a voice test. Hi guys, this is Jay from TextWay and this is a voice test. So the main differences you'll actually notice there is the first one really quiet and just kind of not that great. The second one, the noise level of it is amplified quite a lot, but it's not kind of too much in your face. And then the third and final one has more of a sort of like a studio effect of what I call it, whereas it's more of sort of like a bassier type effect. It's 4 effects in total that I use, and then I do add a slight noise reduction to it because I always find it just gets a little bit too high, so I tend to take it down by 2 decibels. So I'm going to show you what I actually use on this unedited one here. So all we do is just highlight the actual audio clip that you want to do, and then just go to Effect. And then if it is quiet, like my one is, just go to Compressor. And then don't change any of the values. Make sure your values match exactly what's in this window here. These are just the default values. Hit OK, and straight away you'll see all the peaks have gone high, but it's not actually put it above 0 decibels. So it's not going to be bursting anyone's eardrums. But it never sounds that great, so you just actually want to normalize it so it actually sounds more normal when you're actually talking. Again, you don't need to adjust any of the settings. Just hit OK, and you'll see it's actually just reduced those sizes. So now if we listen back to it. Hi guys, this is Jay from TextWay and this is a voice test. You see it's quite like a pleasant sort of level to listen to. The audio is normal, you know, it doesn't sound kind of robotic or anything weird like that. But then if you want to get that sort of that bassier tone or a more sort of studio effect to it, again, all we need to do is go to Effect, Equalization, and then I actually choose Bass Boost from the curb. So just hit Bass Boost, and then just make sure yours actually matches this. So you might need to tweak yours slightly to match it, but you'll see it's between 100 Hz and then just about 500 Hz there down at the flat bit. Hit OK, and then the final one, go back to Effect, and then you want to go to Equalization once more. And instead of bass boost this time, we just want to up the treble boost to it this time. And then between that, that's just 4,000 to 5,000 Hertz that bar actually goes up to. So then that's actually going to take it up to this value here, which if we just follow across, you'll see is 9 decibels. So you're going from 0 to 9 between the 4,000 and the 5,000 Hertz range. Hit OK. And then all I do, because if we listen back to it now. Hi guys, this is Jay from TextWay and this is a voice test. It's quite close to sort of like being almost slightly distorted. So for that, that's why I actually just go back to the effect and then just hit noise reduction, and I reduce it by 2 decibels. Everything else actually left as default, so the sensitivity frequency exactly how it is. Make sure you've got noise set to reduce. Hit OK, and that just brings it down. So then when we listen to it, hi guys, this is Jay from TextWay and this is a voice test. And that's how I do it. So everything else for me is set quite normal. Like the microphone I'm using is the Blue Yeti. I actually have the gain on it turned down quite low so it doesn't pick up a lot of background noises. Let me know which out of the sort of the second and the third one that you preferred, because I've used both of them in many videos. I actually prefer the sort of the studio, the bassier kind of one out of the 2, but whatever your comments are, put them down below because I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to give this video a good thumbs up if you actually liked it. If you didn't, then, well, you can just feel free to leave it alone. But for now, guys, thank you for watching so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, have fun.